Ever been strapped for cash and need a little boost to get by? You might have stumbled upon Dave, an app promising to help you access your earned wages before payday. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, not necessarily, but the speed at which you actually see that money in your account can vary. So, how fast exactly can Dave get you that cash advance? Buckle up, because the answer depends on a few factors we'll be diving into today. First things first, what is Dave? Dave isn't your traditional bank. It's a financial app that connects to your checking account and tracks your income and expenses. Here's the key part. Dave offers a feature called advances, which essentially lets you borrow a portion of your already earned wages before your official payday. Now, this isn't a loan in the traditional sense. There are no interest charges or hidden fees. However, Dave does have a small one-time membership fee, usually around $1 per month, and may recommend a tip when you use advances. Okay, back to speed, the factors at play. Alright, so you're ready to tap into those earned wages. But how fast will that money actually hit your account? Here are the main culprits that can affect the speed. Your bank transfer speed. This is a big one. Different banks have different processing times for incoming transfers. Some might be super speedy, crediting your account within minutes, while others might take a whole business day or even longer. Pro tip, check your bank's website or app for their typical transfer times. Dave's processing time. While Dave itself usually processes advances requests quickly, there might be a slight delay on their end depending on their current workload. Don't expect an agonizing wait, but a few minutes are always a possibility. Weekend and holiday woes. Banks, and sometimes Dave, operate on business days and holidays. If you request an advance on a Friday afternoon, you might not see the funds until Tuesday due to the weekend buffer. Plan accordingly. Here's the breakdown. Generally speaking, fastest scenario. If you have a bank with lightning-fast transfers and request an advance during business hours on a weekday, you could see the money in your account within minutes or even an hour. Most likely scenario. For most folks, the wait will probably be a few hours, especially if your bank takes some time to process incoming transfers. Slowest scenario. Weekend requests, or those made on holidays, could take up to 2 business days to reach your account due to bank processing delays. Beyond speed, what else to consider? While speed is important, there are other things to keep in mind with Dave advances. Advance limits. Dave doesn't hand out blank checks. There's a limit to how much you can advance, typically based on your income and spending history. Eligibility. Not everyone gets automatic access to advances. Dave analyzes your financial situation to determine if you're eligible and for what amount. Building trust. The more you use Dave responsibly, by repaying advances on time, the more likely you are to be offered higher advance amounts and potentially faster processing times. The takeaway: patience is a virtue, but not always necessary. Dave can be a lifesaver when you need a quick cash infusion. Knowing the factors that affect transfer speed can help you manage your expectations. Remember, while you might not see the money instantly, it's usually a faster option than traditional payday loans with their hefty fees and interest charges. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.